Hello, welcome to UNGER and our life hacks for the nLITE PowerPad. Let's get started. Today I will show you when to use an nLITE brush and when you can really save time with the nLITE PowerPad. So when should you use a brush? We recommend the use of a brush from the first floor or higher and when cleaning window frames or facades. The powerful bristles remove dirt effectively, regardless of the surface. This makes you super flexible. Now let's look at the nLITE PowerPad. The nLITE PowerPad is the ultimate alternative to a brush when cleaning large glass surfaces on the ground floor with frameless windows or windows where frame cleaning is not a major issue. The microfiber cleaning pad of the nLITE PowerPad has a larger contact surface on the glass and cleans faster and more effectively than any brush. This saves you a lot of time and allows you to achieve perfect results much faster. A special bonus, you can also use the nLITE PowerPad easily and intuitively as a hand tool. Any other questions? If so, let us know in the comments. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and give it a thumbs up.